forever intertwined with God's mischief, breaking every rule and running wild. Every second spent with you becomes my greatest sin. It has been worth it all this time. I've been wandering around in this life that I've been gifted once again. Been found in smiles and pain that drenched the night, wondering if it would ever end. Spread it out, screaming at the top of your lungs. Your tomorrow will come, so remember that. Let's collect every light from within our eyes. Be the light that illuminates the dark of the night. I swear I am not letting go of this hand of yours. Let it out. I will keep this sin in my heart for now. I will hold it close. It's getting late and I will close my eyes, but even then I still keep on searching for someone. The fire summoned you, I can no longer see the light, the one that guided from afar. And we come together or split up. It feels like a pendulum inside. With all the hurt, the love that's in us will light up as the moon starts to rise. But it's singing that if we are broken in half, I'll be here by your side, so don't lose your heart. And I'll last for a bit, tiny bit of your time, and I'm drowning in my sea of sins once again. And if you make it out alive, just remember to let it out, 'cause this storm is not going to last. Beyond the sky, we are still waiting for, we are still waiting for, we are still waiting for the light that shines so bright at dawn. Waiting for it to come, waiting for it to come. We are still waiting for the day the light shines in your eyes. Let it out, screaming at the top of your lungs. Your tomorrow will come, so remember that. Every light from within our eyes, be the light that illuminates the dark of the night. The night, I swear I am not letting go of this hand of yours. Let it out. I will keep this sin in my heart for now. I will hold it close. We are still waiting for, we are still waiting for, we are still longing for the light that shines so bright at dawn. Waiting for it to come, waiting for it to come. We are still waiting for the day the light shines in your eyes. We are still waiting for, we are still waiting for, we are still longing for the light that shines so bright at dawn. Waiting for it to come, waiting for it to come. We are still waiting for the day the light shines in your eyes.